I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: app updated, storage free, and camera and file permissions granted. Once done, sign in or create an account so settings persist across devices. Next, import your images, tap the plus sign or drag files from a folder. Make sure Cloud Sync is enabled if you want automatic backups. These initial steps get your library ready and prevent permission errors later, so complete them now before editing or organizing any photos. You now organize and refine images. Start by creating albums and applying tags or color labels. Smart albums with rules save time by auto-sorting. Once grouped, perform basic edits: crop to aspect ratio, rotate, adjust exposure and white balance. Always use non-destructive edits so you can revert. Then move to advanced tools like healing, curves, and selective masks for local corrections. Compare the edited preview to the original frequently to keep edits natural. This sequence keeps your workflow efficient and reversible. You finish by exporting and sharing your final images. Choose format and quality: JPEG for web, TIFF for print, set resolution and a rename pattern, then export a batch. Use built-in share presets for social platforms or create a shareable link and send via email or cloud drive. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reauthorize storage and camera permissions, or rebuild the library index. These steps fix common sync and display problems so you can continue without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.